Morning dear kids, I am taking your problem number 15 exercise 22a and it goes something like this. In the figure it is given that angle C is 90, D and D is a midpoint of AC. So D is a midpoint of AC. You have to find tan angle CAB. CAB. तो इसका tan फाइंड करना है. tan angle CAB upon tan angle CDB. CDB. tan angle CDB. My dear kids, what is tan angle CAB? अगर मैं बड़े ट्रायंगल में जाऊंगी, in triangle ABC, I will see that tan angle CAB is equal to perpendicular upon base. I know that. So that is BC upon AC. Correct? Now if I go in triangle DBC, tan angle CDB, that will again be perpendicular upon base, but this time it will be BC upon CD. Correct? Now you have to take the fraction of this. As per your requirement, you have to divide your tan angle CAB and tan angle CDB. So how you will write? Tan angle CAB upon tan angle CDB is equal to BC upon AC, this one, and BC upon CD. Correct? Now CD, what is CD? Can I write half of AC because D is a midpoint? So instead of CD, just write half of AC. I'll erase this part. So you have tan angle CAB upon tan angle CDB. फर्स्ट BC अपॉन AC वैसे ही रखो, नीचे वाला BC वैसे ही रखो, CD की जगह पे यू कैन राइट हाफ AC. नाउ माय डियर किड्स, ऊपर वाला BC अपॉन AC विल बी एज इट इज, नीचे दिस हाफ विल रेसिप्रोकेट एंड इट विल बिकम 2BC अपॉन AC. BC upon AC, BC upon AC cut, so your answer is 1 upon 2. Got the answer for your first one, 1 upon 2. Similarly, you have to find tan angle ABC, ABC ये वाला, upon tan angle DBC ये वाला. Getting? So similarly, very similar, you have to go. सिर्फ एंगल चेंज हुआ है, पहले एंगल ए का पूछा था CAB, अब ABC मतलब B का पूछा है. सो सिमिलरली विल गो इन ट्रायंगल ACB, tan angle ABC is equal to perpendicular upon base, that is AC upon BC. Then in triangle DCB, tan angle DBC is equal to perpendicular upon base, that is CD upon BC. Now you, as per your requirement, you have to divide this and this. So how we will do it? Let's see. Tan angle ABC upon tan angle DBC is equal to AC upon BC upon CD upon BC. Now AC is what? My dear kids, tell me. Can I write CD की जगह पे हाफ? CD BC तो आपका कट हो गया. CD की जगह पे कैन आई राइट हाफ ऑफ AC. सो दैट विल बी AC ऊपर वाला एंड CD की जगह पे हाफ ऑफ AC. गॉट माई पॉइंट क्लियर? सो दैट इज दिस 2 विल कम अप, रेसिप्रोकेट हो जाएगा. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? सो दैट विल बी AC कट 2 upon 1. Next, we have 3 cos A is equal to 4 sin A. As I said previously, cos A यहाँ पे रखना है, साइन ए को यहाँ डिवीजन में लेकर आना है, 4 को यहाँ पे रखना है, 3 को डिवीजन में लेकर आना है. In my previous video, I have made clear that tan is sin upon cos and cot is cos upon sin. तो क्या मैं cos a और sin a की जगह पे cot लिख सकती हूँ? Yes. Can I write it cot a is equal to 4 upon 3? That means if I am drawing a triangle ABC, cot A, इस एंगल का आपको cot फाइंड करना है. Do you know what is cot? Cot is base upon perpendicular. एंगल A का बेस कौन है? AB. परपेंडिकुलर कौन है? BC. That means AB और BC की वैल्यू आपको 4 और 3 दी हुई है. By Pythagoras, you will find the value of AC, which you will get 5. Once you got all the values, you have to find cos A. A के point of view से आपको cos निकालना है. What do you mean by cos? Cos is base upon hypotenuse, so 4 upon 5. Then you in this equation you need cot square A. तो cot A तो आपके पास है, उसका स्क्वायर कर दो, तो that will be 16 upon 9. You also need cosec square A. तो cosec square A फाइंड करने के लिए पहले cosec A फाइंड करो. What is cosec A? Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. A के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से उसका हाइपोटेन्यूस कौन है? 5. उसका परपेंडिकुलर कौन है? 3. So you got cosec A as 5 upon 3. So what will be cosec square A? It will be 5 upon 3 का square. That will be 15 upon 9. Once you have it in hand cot square A की वैल्यू and you have it in hand cosec square A की वैल्यू, you have to put it in equation and that will be 3 minus 16 upon 9 plus 15 upon 9. Here nothing means 1. Take the LCM and get with the answer. Clear? Next we have in triangle ABC, B is 90, tan A value is given as 0.75. My dear kids, can I write tan A as 75 upon 100? And can I reduce it in the table of 25? So I will get 3 upon 4. Once I got tan A as 3 upon 4, I know that tan A is perpendicular upon base. तो A के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से उसका परपेंडिकुलर है BC और बेस है AB. दैट मीन्स tan A की वैल्यू 3 अपॉन 4, मतलब BC और AB की वैल्यू आ गई. BC 3x 4x. By Pythagoras you will get AC as 5x. Yes, you can put it x because x आगे जाके कट ही हो जाएगा, because they are, if you don't put it also that doesn't matters. Okay, so once you got 3 sides of your triangle, AC is 30 given. Now AC I got 5x, but AC value is given in your problem 30. So can I write 5x is equal to 30? So x will be 30 upon 5, that is 6. Once you got the value of x as 6, you have to put it into AB. AB is 4x, so 4 into 6, 24. And BC is 3x, so 3 into 6, that is 18 centimeters. To write units is very compulsory. Next I have in rhombus ABCD, if I draw a rhombus, ABCD, diagonals AC and BC intersect at O. If cosine of angle CAB, where is CAB? CAB. इसका cosine दिया हुआ है, मतलब cos दिया हुआ है 0.6. So cos of angle CAB is given as 0.6. Can I convert into 6 upon 10? Can I reduce to 3 by 5? Now CAB. CAB होता है OAB. Can I write it OAB? बिकॉज अगर मैं CAB एंगल ले रही हूँ तो ये बड़ा ट्राइंगल में कोई 90 डिग्री नहीं है रोम्बस में. But if I am taking OAB, in this you have 90 degree, and as we know all my trigonometrical ratios will work in a right angle triangle. So I will take in triangle OAB. If CAB मतलब OAB बन गया, आपको OAB का cos दिया हुआ है 3/5. इसका cos का मतलब होता है बेस अपॉन hypotenuse. What is the base? OA. And what is the hypotenuse? AB. So in a way आपको OA और AB की वैल्यू दी हुई है. Can I write it here? OA is given to you 3. AB is given to you 5. By Pythagoras theorem, my dear kids, you will get the value of OB. OB you will get it as 4. Once you got OB as 4, they have asked you to find the length of side and the diagonals of rhombus. Length of side 5 आ गया है आपका already. So all sides are equal, so all sides will be 5. And my dear kids, if you notice here, आपके पास आधा आधा diagonal भी आ गया है. This is 3. If I double it, I'll get 6. So my AC will be 2 of OA, that is 2 into 3, that is 6 centimeter. And if you notice your OB is given to you, मतलब हमने फाइंड किया पाइथागोरस से, और उसका अगर डबल कर देंगे तो we will get DB और BD as a diagonal. So that is 2 of OB, that is 2 into 4, that is 8 centimeter. So you got the two diagonals and you got the side also. Clear? Next we have in triangle, we have a triangle here ABC. AB is equal to AC is equal to 15. That means it's an isosceles triangle, and this is 18. And as I said you, in an isosceles triangle, if I draw a perpendicular, that will divide the base in two equal halves. So that means BD will be equal to DC will be equal to 9. Now if I go in triangle ABD, by Pythagoras theorem, can I find AD? Yes, AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. AB is 15, BD is 9, and you have to find AD square. Let 15 square be here, 9 square इस साइड आएगा, सब्ट्रैक्शन में हो जाएगा. From there you will get the value of AD. My dear kids, once you got the value of AD, which you will get it as 12 centimeters. Now they have asked, your first question is cos B. B एंगल के हिसाब से, B इस ट्रायंगल में है, राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में, cos B फाइंड करना है. Cos B is BD upon AB because it is base upon hypotenuse. So that will be 9 upon 15. You can reduce and keep it 3 upon 5. Next you have to find sin C. C के हिसाब से in this triangle perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is 12 upon 15. You can reduce into 4 upon 5. Next you have 10B. आपको इस इक्वेशन में क्या क्या लगेगा वो फाइंड करके रख दो. आपको 10B और sec B का लगने वाला है. सो B के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अगेन कम इन दिस ट्रायंगल. B के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से यू हैव टू फाइंड 10B, दैट विल बी AD अपॉन BD परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस 12 अपॉन 9, दैट विल बी 4 अपॉन 3. यू विल ऑल्सो रिक्वायर sec B. तो B के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से sec फाइंड करना है, एंड sec विल बी बेस हाइपोटेन्यूस अपॉन बेस. कॉस का उल्टा होता है. So that will be 15 upon 9. If you reduce, you will get 5 upon 3. Once you got all the values of all the ratios, you have to make 10b का square. 10b क्या था? 4 upon 3 उसका square minus sec b का square 5 upon 3 का square plus 2. Yes, you have to take the LCM and get the final answer of your third question. Next you have in triangle ABC. So I'll draw triangle ABC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Sin B is given as 0.8. Can I write sin B 8 upon 10? That is 4 upon 5. B के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से उसका राइट एंगल लेंगे तो B के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय साइन? परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन hypotenuse. So this is the perpendicular of B, so that will be 4, and this is the hypotenuse of B, so that will be 5. From Pythagoras theorem you have to find BD. My dear kids, BD you will get 9 centimeter. Once you got BD, okay, BD is given to you, okay. Now further it says tan C is given as 1. If tan C is given as 1, C के point of view से tan is perpendicular upon base is given as 1. What is C का perpendicular? C का perpendicular is AD and C का perpendicular is DC. So AD upon DC is given as 1. That means if I take DC on this side, so AD is equal to DC. If AD is 4, DC will be 4 centimeter. BD was given as 9 centimeter. Got my point clear? Now this AD is 4, DC is 4. By Pythagoras, find AC. In this way, you will get all the sides. Clear? I'll pack up here. If you have any doubt, you can put it up. God bless.